Hi everyone, I'm Sauparnika, a ServiceNow AI developer. So if you've been hearing about MoveWorks and ServiceNow but aren't sure how they work together, then this video is for you. MoveWork is an AI-powered conversational assistant that integrates with ServiceNow to simplify how employees can access the enterprise services easily. So instead of navigating through multiple portals or searching for the right catalog items here, employees can simply ask questions in the natural language. Behind the scenes, MoveWork connects with the ServiceNow Employee Center to retrieve all the knowledge articles related to the request, surface the catalog items, and helps user to complete the request all through a conversational experience. So rather than searching for information here, employees can simply ask the AI guide to give them the right solution. Now let's see this with an example. Imagine an employee needs access to Jira before an important project starting. So instead of logging into ServiceNow and searching for the correct request, the employee can simply type "I need Jira access request" and MoveWork understands the intents and communicates with the ServiceNow. It identifies the appropriate catalog item related to that request, presents the request, and allows the employee to submit it directly to the conversation. He doesn't have to go to portal. If the approvals are required, ServiceNow Workflows handles them automatically and the employee receives the updates time to time throughout the process. The same experience can be used for finding the HR policies, requesting the software needed, checking for the company knowledge, or accessing other enterprise services as such. This integration here improves the employee experiences by making support faster and more intuitive and available through simple conversational communication. While ServiceNow continues to power the workflows, approvals, and automations behind the scenes, so instead of employees learning how to use the portal here, AI brings the portal to the employees. Do let me know your thoughts on this conversational AI used in ServiceNow. Thank you.